I'm Juleen with Leisure Time Inc., and today we're talking about how to use the FreshWater Vanishing Act calcium remover to lower calcium levels in your hot tub. The FreshWater Vanishing Act calcium remover helps to lower calcium hardness in your hot tub, which should be between 25 to 75 parts per million for salt systems or 75 to 150 ppm for all other systems. Before use, rinse the Vanishing Act with running water until the water runs clear. If your hot tub uses a heater return, place the Vanishing Act flat side down over the heater return. After 10 to 12 hours, flip the Vanishing Act over and reposition over the heater return. Do not run the jets while the calcium remover is in place. If your spa uses jet suction fittings, activate the low-speed jet pump. Then place the calcium remover completely over the associated suction fitting in the footwell. Once the jets shut off, test the calcium hardness. Repeat this process 1 to 2 more times as needed. If you cannot identify or locate the heater return or jet suction fittings, consult your owner's manual or local hot tub distributor. Once a Vanishing Act is in place, water discoloration may occur, which can be resolved with chlorine. For maximum effectiveness, make sure the calcium remover stays in place while in use. If calcium hardness is above 150 ppm, Vanishing Act XL is recommended. Vanishing Act is a great way to prolong the life of your hot tub, use less water, and create a softer, more enjoyable hot tub experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below for future content from Leisure Time Inc.